Hey guys, welcome. So today we'll discuss about some of the color themes, underrated color themes and icon packs of VS Code. So since I am a fan of VS Code and I obviously like writing codes in VS Code, so we'll also talk like some of the extensions of VS Code that helps us write code that looks better and is well formatted. So some of the tools, or should I say extensions among them are eslint for linting. There is prettier for formatting the codes, and there is uh, bracket pair colorize. So what it does is it helps on, like, if we have like multiple curly braces, it will show it in different color and it will also show it in block, so that it will be easier for us to visualize. So before we start the session, I would like to uh, what should I say, like, put on a small saying. So it is from a medium post. So the post had this saying at the very top. So I will just say it. So it goes something like, if you like the look of your code, you will probably enjoy writing it more. Same goes for your editor. So if your editor looks better, you will probably look into it more. So you will probably write more codes. So without any further ado, let's start with the color theme. So I've selected 5 color themes for this session. The first one is one dark blue. So for the theme extension, you can just click on this extension and then you can search for the one. So the first one is one dark pro. It is the first one and I have already installed it. So you can either set the color theme from here. So there are 3 options available. So as you can see, if I switch them, so to see the changes, I will just click on this package JSON. So if I change into another theme, we will one. So now it will be different. So as you can see, so now you can also change your color theme from the setting sections. Go to color theme and then by default there are some of the themes available. So as you can see, one dark blue VBD is the selected one. So the second color theme is night owl. So you can go to your extensions and you can just type night owl. Okay, so I have already installed this one as well. So it has like 4, the one with the italics and no italics. So you can either select them and just change it and you can see the effects here. So the color has been changed and the is also changed. Now you can also find these extensions in the VS Code marketplace, but I think this is the easiest way to do them. The third one is material. So there is material icon theme and there is material theme. So for the color theme, we will install the material theme. So since I have already installed, I can just click here. And the favorite one from this for me is this ocean high contrast. So this high contrast actually it's quite beautiful. So the main feature of this is, like, you can see the one part is darker and the another part is light. So same goes for the terminal. So it is quite clean and it looks amazing. So the fourth one is Monkai Pro. Or should I say Monokai Pro? Monokai Pro. So the Monokai Pro is also amazing. So it has 5 filters. You can just download it and, or should I say, install it and take it. So it also have some file icons. So we can just set the file icons as well. So some color themes have your own file icons, but there are some file icons that you can just download as them as the icons. So the fifth one is from inspired from Atom. So it's Atom One Dark. So it is this one, Atom One Dark, and you can have it. So this one is also amazing. It is almost same as the one from the material ones, but the only difference is that the terminal has a same color as the test editor. Now these were the 5 color themes, but there are also For underrated color themes, so they are not quite popular, but they are amazing. So the first one among them is Horizon, Horizon theme. So it is, it does not have lots of downloads, so it is only like 131 at which is a lot, but it's not as popular as the one I usually mentioned. So it has these five options. So if I choose Horizon Italic, then we'll have an effect of something like this. Does not look any different. But if I move into the code editor, you can see some of the italic tests that are available here. So for the variable specification. Now the second one is level up. Level it is the first one official thing. It is 14K downloads, and yeah, it is quite the view that you get. And there is one more that is NP. NP theme is the one, not the first one, and it has some color sets like alt, light, aster, aster red. To the aster red, it changes the whole color, and it looks quite amazing. You can give it a try. And the last one is cyberpunk. The cyberpunk is actually a quite a dark theme. So if you are into dark stuff, then it's for you, like it is quite heavy. So if I select red, it will just change everything into red. The taste will be different. So you can see it is a lot visible. So you can use these things in places where there are reflective lights. Then it will be equally visible. Even if the lights are too high, or even your screen is like. Now there are four icon packs that I have selected for this video. So the first one is city lights. Okay, so city lights icon theme icon pack. So it has a download of 25K, and as you can see, if I change to colors, then this is the one I have been using. So if I choose it to use black and white, you can see the color changes of the icon pack. So you can also change your icon packs from here. File icon theme. Okay, so it will show you the list of file icons. So the second one is material. So I previously showed that when I was looking for material, it was the first thing that pop up. So material icon. So this is the one. So if I choose this one, you can see the effects here. Because it's an icon thing, but quite amazing. The third one is Nomo dark. It's Nomo. Yeah. Okay, so it's the one Nomo dark icon, and it's amazing as well. Okay, so as you can see the color differences and the icon differences, which is quite unique. And the last one is easy icon. Okay, so easy icon has only one selection of sets. So this is what it looks like. Now that's all for all the themes and tags. Now we have something called eslint. So to install it, you need to have it like globally. So you have to install it globally first. To do that, you can type npm install -c and then eslint. Now since I have already installed, I won't do that again. To make sure that it's installed, I will just check the version of it. And as you can see, now to initialize eslint into your current working directory or into your current project, inside your root, um, just do eslint dash init. So dash init flag is for initialization, so it will ask some questions. So the first option we will choose is to check syntax, find problems, and import code style. The second one is common just require and exports, and one of these we don't have TypeScript, and we are doing Node-based, and we want to use a popular guide, and the options are here beyond standard and Google, so we'll go with standard. We'll select JavaScript, and it will check for peer dependencies, and it will ask us to let it install some of the packages that are shown here, so it will install them inside their dependencies. Now once it's installed, now there will be a .eslint file, and there will be p-based configurations based on the settings that we just provided. So you can see now we have eslint rc file, and these are some of the default configurations. Now inside our index.js, you can see it shows some of the issues. Now there are actually 36. There are some about semicolons, some about eslint. So you can change either your formatter, or you could just change the rules. So I will just go ahead and change the rules. So to remove the quotes issue, what you can do is type quotes, and then you could do a array, and then inside the array we could pass what we want it not to have equal. So what you can do is doubles, so it's quotes, and there is it's double, not double. Now half of our issues are gone. Now for the semicolon, what we can do is we can put semi, and we can do 0, and we can just now it will just disable semicolons. Now all our issues are gone. Now just to check it, if there is some variable like let, it will say that if the value is never assigned, we need to use count. So it just take our code, and it will make our code look better. Our code will have less errors, and it will give a suggestion where the errors is and how to fix them. So it is pretty damn good, and it is used by lots of companies. It is industry standard, and it is like used almost everywhere. If they want to maintain a coding standard, it is so that's it for ESLint. Now the second package that or extension that we'll be using is prettier. So for the prettier, you can just search for it. So prettier code formatter, so it is used for formatting the code. Now I have already installed it, so just to check it, or just to make it your default formatter, what you can go to settings. So to go to the settings, you can click on this setting icon and go to the settings, and this is the visual editor, so you can just use options from here, or you can go to your settings. So this is a JSON editor. So uh, to set your default formatter like this, enter your default formatter, you can put the value of your prettier. So is esband dot prettier dash vscode. Now like mine, if you want to set your terminal to use git bash, you can just replace the value for the terminal.integrated.shell.windows to your local installation directory of git, and inside it bin and the dash.ps. So that's how you set it up. And now there I have also set up war app. So what it does, it will show all the content inside this visual area, and you don't have to scroll it all the way to see the things. Now these are for the color theme and icon theme, and this is for format on save, and this is for the zoom levels. So I forgot to actually mention, for the ESLint to work, you need to install the extension for ESLint as well. So extension you can find in the here. So I have already installed it. You can go here, search for it, and install it. It's that much easy. And the last one is bracket pair colorizer. So you can search for it, bracket color pair colorizer, and it's the first one, and lots of downloads. So you can just download it. Now just to see how it works, I will write some code. So I will just create some functions, function name of hello, and I will just copy this, I will just paste. Now as you can see the difference here, the brushes have multiple colors, so it is easier to differentiate. And now if you click here, now as you can see there is a line. If I just press enter, as you can see it moves. So this shows the block of this the code block. So this is the functional block. So um, you'll easily find the codes inside a given functional block, so it will be easy for you to read. So that's how it's useful, and that's how it works. So I think that's it for this video, so I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.